Gen Sanyatwe poisoned, Baba Jukwa drops bombshell. The 12th of September 2025. Spread the love. By staff reporter, Zimbabwe's sports minister, General Anselm Sanyatwe, has allegedly been poisoned, according to explosive claims made by shadowy whistleblower Baba Jukwa. Posting on social media on Thursday, Baba Jukwa alleged that Sanyatwe was targeted shortly after receiving financial donations from controversial businessman KUTYA Tagwari. Sanyatwe was soon to be buried at Heroes Acre. Count the dates carefully. I've always wondered why people accept mnangagwa money. Holy Ten is losing not only his house but his wife, and even his life. Let me also tell you what they're hiding. Sanyatwe was poisoned soon after receiving that money from Tagwari. He needs to get a checkup for cancer they injected him. Mr. 45 degrees will soon be buried at Heroes Acre at a 45-degree angle. Thanks to the money he touched, HAASI, Baba Jukwa. The allegations come amid heightened suspicion within ruling party circles, where several high-profile figures have reportedly fallen ill after accepting donations or favors linked to Mnangagwa's inner circle. Sanyatwe, who previously served as Zimbabwe's ambassador to Tanzania before being recalled to head the Ministry of Sports, is regarded as a close ally of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, under whom he rose to prominence in the military. When contacted for comment on Thursday evening, General Sanyatwe dismissed any suggestion of betrayal, saying, "The donations made by KUTYA Tagwari to my wife's constituency are a matter of public record. I have never betrayed my former boss, General Chiwenga, at any time. Meeting Tagwari is nothing new. He was introduced to me by Chiwenga himself." However, the minister did not directly address the poisoning allegations, nor did he confirm whether he had undergone any recent medical checks.